Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Matt from Nowaskey Extreme Performance. Welcome to another one of our Thursday YouTube videos. This one's a pretty cool one. We had our customer Scott take advantage of our half off that we do for in-house labor on any of Nowaskey's core products. In this video that you guys are about to see, Scott owns a brand new 25 or 26 Road Glide. It's a beautiful color combo. We did our level 4 front end package, set of our remote Reservoir Shocks, and our brand new Nowaskey Radial Brake package front and rear. A couple little gold accent bolts, and you'll also get a good sneak peek of our final Reservoir wrap version that I'm really excited about. I think it'll be a good video for you guys. In my opinion, this is what every new bagger needs. Like, it needs good suspension, it needs good brakes, handlebars, risers, and that's what these new bikes really need to just go out and have a bunch of fun on them. Take a look at this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so we're gonna go over a couple of the parts that we're gonna be installing on Scott's Road Glide here, just a little bit in depth to remind any of the new viewers that are watching this video that might not know that much about our products. So these are our Nowaskey remote reservoirs. They're gonna come in a really nice box. We really take a lot of pride in our packaging so that you guys can hold on to it. If you ever need to have anything serviced, you have this box where you can put your shocks back in, send them back to us, and they're nice and safe the whole way back. This is a set of Nowaskey remote Reservoir Shocks. So a couple of things here that I think are really important to mention. Each one of our shocks, you'll see a serial number on. You might get a pair with serial numbers that are not right back to back. When these shocks are built, we put them on a shock dyno, and that dyno is gonna take all the different metrics of how this shock is working, put it into an electronic spreadsheet, and then it's gonna pair it with its closest perfect partner, which is really important that your shocks are handling side to side, very close to each other. Our line here for our reservoir has swivels on each end, so this line can't bind up in any kind of way. That gives you, a lot of options as far as where you want to mount these. And we do have a lot more mounts than just standard mounting them off the back, so we can always help you with that. This shock also has a nitride shaft, one of the most special parts of this shock because it's cross-hatched just like a cylinder wall would be. So as your shock is traveling and moving up and down, it's lubricating itself with the fluid just like a piston would inside of a cylinder. That creates less stiction on the shock, so when you're going around a corner, it's still going to work the same way as if you're straight up and down, not leaning at all. It also gives you really long seal life, and that's why our suggested rebuild schedule is 50,000 miles, which is more than double of anyone else. Of course, all of this is completely made in the United States, not just assembled here. And then also at the bottom of this shock, you'll have 80 clicks of rebound. And up here on the reservoir, you'll have 6 clicks of compression. This makes it really easy to fine tune your ride. If your back's feeling a certain way, and each day you can kind of fine tune it. We have great tech support here where we can kind of help you understand which way you need to go with your clickers and different ways to learn what the clickers do, so that we want you guys to be adjusting these shocks. This is a super, super amazing shock. I love these. Definitely would recommend these to anyone. Another one of the parts that are going on Scott's Road Glide here, we have our level 3 front end. This is basically a way for a guy at home to be able to just simply slide out his forks, take his wheel and fender off, get this at home and install it yourself. You don't have to mess with any fluid. So inside of our level 3, you're gonna have a lot of different options here. This is gonna have a chrome fork lower, and you can choose if you want stock brakes or if you want radial brakes. Also, you have different options for fork tubes, so you can do plus 2 inch taller or stock height, chrome, gold, black fork tubes. And then for the lowers, we have raw, black, and chrome. And then all of that combined with our Nowaskey 49mm cartridge kit. This is an amazing front end. We've got 12-point hardware on here, and it comes to you assembled and ready to go. No fluid, don't need to get your hands dirty. This obviously has my dirty fingerprints on it, but it will come to you nice and shiny. Okay, and then to match everything together, we have our brand new Nowaskey 6-piston calipers. We've been testing these for quite a while. As you guys know, we've been selling a lot of Brembos over the last couple of years, but with tariffs just going up and up and up, it just got out of control for what a set of cast aluminum calipers would cost. So we wanted to have something US made to go with our other US made products. So this is a billet aluminum machined caliper. It's going to be a 6-piston. Something that's really cool about this caliper is the pistons are progressive, meaning in the direction that the rotor is spinning, they get larger. The reasoning for that is you'll get better braking feel with your levers and on your brake pedal. Another cool part is there's 2 bleeders on this caliper, so you can really get these things bled easily, and just a really, really nice piece. They look great. These will be available in chrome, black, raw as well. Raw is my favorite, obviously. I just love the machine marks on these. Another thing to note is that on the rear of the bike, a lot of people would just use the same caliper and flip it. That's what we used to do with the Brembos. Now we have something that's more specific for the rear of the bike, so the logoing is all the same. Your bleeders are in good spots, where your line mount is in a good spot. So it's not so much a universal thing that we're doing back there. And then we have, of course, G-brake rotors that we normally include with our kits, and then the right mount for whatever you're running, whether it's stock fork legs, a stock swing arm, or however we're doing it, oversized rotors. Again, another great US made part that Nowaskey came out with this year. I run these on my stunt bikes. You lose your brakes, that's where things go bad. If I can say I trust these, then I know that I can say you will be able to trust these into normal aggressive riding condition. Really stoked on these, and I think it just tied this bike together really well with the black calipers, and just looks really, really awesome. So. All right, everybody, so in this video, you guys got to watch Scott install a bunch of our amazing Nowaskey products onto Scott, our customer's Road Glide that you guys can see here. I am really happy with how it turned out. The customer wanted some gold bits. This bike is super awesome. It looks great, rides great. It's got our new Nowaskey brake calipers. The customer had his own rotors already that he wanted to use, so we didn't go with our traditional G-brake rotors, but we did do some nice gold RLNS rotor hardware. Of course, we did our 13-inch remote reservoir Nowaskey shocks set up to our customer's weight and his riding style. We also did our Nowaskey Level 3 front end with gold fork tubes, black Dominator lowers, our cartridges, of course. I'm hoping I can maybe talk him into doing some different handlebars and risers eventually, but that's literally all this bike would need, in my opinion, for what I would love to ride, right? So I think we put together such a really good package that I'm really proud of for our customers to go out and enjoy these new bikes. It makes a really, really big difference. It stands apart in the right ways. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure you guys reach out to us. Also, we're getting really, really close to Sturgis. It's not too late to book an appointment in Sturgis where you can have these Nowaskey parts installed for free, and we'd just love to see everybody out there. We also have our bike show in Sturgis that we're doing on the 11th, which is Tuesday, at the Iron Horse Saloon. Bring your bikes out there, support a good cause. It's raising money for veterans, and we're just really excited to see a bunch of you guys out there. We've been working so hard. Sturgis for us is a way that we get to go enjoy what we all love together. So really, really excited to get on the road and do that. I'm getting cooped up in here. We'll see you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching another Thursday video with Nowaskey. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.